Welcome my friends, it's Yuri. We start our live and we start our weekly market outlook. I will show you top thoughts about major instruments. We'll answer on all your questions. That's why right now push like, share this lesson stream with your friends, subscribe on my YouTube channel because you'll get notification about future streams, and also all lessons which we record about trading, our strategy, you will get for free and you will get notification. That's why right now push like and subscribe button and I think it's the best signal that we can start. Friends, at this moment put into a chat feedback about current voice and sound. Do you hear me good? Do you see me good? If yes, that the best signal that we can go. Please write into a chat a feedback about quality of sound and video. Yes, hi. Nice to see you here. Write about quality of the sound and video. All good. It's nice to hear that everything good. Sound is good and video is awesome as always. Thank you. For me it is the most important to hear. And what else do we hear? Okay. All good. Okay, friends, also type into a chat your questions which you have currently about trading, about some instruments, and we will go. Currently, I would like to start. Hi, my name is Raz from Australia. Raz, nice to see you here. It's awesome. Thank you that you are here with me. We will speak a lot about Bitcoin. Is it fake or not? And also, I will show you my sound will be even better when I hear about Bitcoin. And I did push like button already. Thank you. That's the best. Thank you from your side. It is a push like button. Okay. Friends, I think we don't need to spend a lot of time with and wait for another people, because as you can see a lot of people join us, and I think we should start our analysis. And as always, I will start from major instruments and I'll open a stream on my cell phone that would help me to see all your questions. Wait please, because yes, because today I have only one screen. What will happen to Bitcoin, please? Hi, my name is David from Uganda. Nice to see you here. Sound okay, good. Yes, about Bitcoin we will speak. Let's start from Bitcoin, as I promised for all of you. Crypto. Friends, we have such point halving, Bitcoin. Bitcoin Binance. We have in 2 weeks halving would start, and what currently had happened at this moment, as you can see on daily chart, price made powerful price, better to say it, even pump here from 7,700 to 9,500 into this area. It's huge rise, but I think you could see that it looks pretty similar like this rise, the same powerful pump. After that, price didn't re-high, accumulation and breakdown, and after this bucks, price started this downtrend. About current situation, will it repeat? I think huge possibility that there would be a pullback at least into this area. Somehow I don't believe that big players will allow all people to make money before halving, and I think that they will do some trap, and this rise could be a trap, because if you would take a look on halving price, I would like to halving trading view image. That's an example for you. Halving, take a look. There always was that situation. Take a look. First halving, second halving. I think we can open it on a bigger chart. This picture also good. As you can see, I also use ideas of another traders because it's good and it's wise to take the best from other people. And take a look. Before every halving, as you can see, price rose up, and after that, take a look. 1 month here, we're in this range. Second halving, as you can see, price rose up before it, and after that, take a look, and after that, price even dropped from nearly 800, price dropped to 540. If we would compare it in percent, 540, price dropped at 33%. It's a lot. That's why at this moment, if we take a look about all history, it looks that there could be the same. And still, I would open buy only if there would be buy signal. At this moment, we do not have a buy signal on Bitcoin. We have, like we had before, powerful pump after this accumulation and breakdown of this accumulation. That's why at this moment, I 100% confident, but my apology. Forget about word 100, because we cannot be confident for 100% in any cases, because I think you remember that story about oil, how oil dropped into negative zone. That's why forget, friends, in this industry, forget always about something like I'm 100% sure. And I think with huge possibility price would hit into this key level from which price made this pump. And after that, everything depends what would happen. If the price would make false breakout, close above, that would be a signal that there could be continue of uptrend. If price will break it down, that would be a signal that we would see it at least here. To be honest, I pray to see Bitcoin here into this area. Why? I pray because I would buy it at the best price. Friends, type into the chat, is it clear about what I just told you about Bitcoin? Write please your feedback. Do you agree with me or you don't agree? Maybe you have something to clarify. I would like to show you some technical patterns which I personally will use if Bitcoin will show it. Example for you of Ethereum. Take a look, ATH USDT. As you can see, after rise, price made this range, drop down, and take a look. Another range accumulation and broke up. I call it mirror level of with range foundation. And take a look. Only if something like this would be on Bitcoin, we will be able to use it. Because such stuff, it is a trap. Another example for you on Bitcoin, take a look here. Oh, it's so raining outside. I have huge rain. It's so low rain. I would go out. But as you can see, price dropped, made such trap, and after that rose up. Or here, trap, and after that rose up. Only if there would be something like this, we would try to continue. Friends, type into a chat, I love pray. Can you give your view for Ripple USDT for next 2 days? Take a look at BTC USD. Yes, I will take a look at this moment. Maybe it's a bearish trap. I pray crystal clear. Thank you for your feedback. Maybe it's bearish trap. Once more, you need to trade what you see. You don't need to trade what you guess could happen. If you are investor in Bitcoin, just buy it and forget and don't watch on it. If you trade as a trader, you need to trade only when accurate signals appear. As you can see here, once more, price before, as you can see here, before price started uprise, price accumulated and made this powerful uprise, created this triangle. The same was on another instrument. As you can see, we sent that idea on Bitcoin here, even where a mirror level. We send that idea on Bitcoin. When we see, we send. When we don't see, we don't trade. That's all. Currently, there is no entry. There is no buy entry at this moment. Only if there would be something like this, price would accumulate, and after that there would be slowly up approach. Price will come back to this key level. Only that would be a good signal to open buy to continue uptrend. Because because many of you like believe that there would be to the moon, but friends, from this point price also started to the moon. Once more, before you open entry, always ask yourself where would be the most accurate entry place and where would be your low predictable risk. If you think it's useful what I just told you right now, push like and subscribe on this YouTube channel, because you will get far more for free. You will get a notification about all our lessons. Right now, just do it. Okay, friends, let's go and let's continue with our webinar once more. What we will do right now. First, a few seconds. Okay. Live chat. Okay, good. Let's start. I will show you my trading plans, which I would like to trade so soon. We'll cover major currency pairs, gold, oil, and after that I will cover all other cryptocurrencies. So are we bearish or bullish? I don't understand. Clarify with your question. Trading plans, trading instruments. I'll show you currently what really I see on the chart and what I would like to trade personally. First one, it is Australia USD. As you can see, price close to this key level. On daily chart, it is a mirror level from which price bounced before. As you can see from this place, it's also bounced from this place. And if there would be a false breakout on this pullback, I will open a sell entry here. If there would be accurate false breakout. Another idea, it is USD Canadian. As you can see, we have mirror level here from which price bounced many times here. If there would be also pullback into this area, false breakout, I would open buy entry in this area. And what else? USD Swiss franc. We have mirror level on daily chart. If there would be pullback into this area, I would personally will open sell entry. What you need to understand, I trade only what I see, and if there would be accurate pattern, I will open entry. If not, that's all instruments which I have currently on my trading list. And yes, what about other USDT? Yes, I will show you it. There are level. Please, what do you mean there are level? Where level? What instrument can show level? Please clarify exactly what you mean. Once more. About Euro USD, currently we have Euro USD inside of this range. When we trade a range, we have what rules when you trade a range you need to follow. First, best entries always will be at border of the range. Second, if you open entry inside, there must be only accurate and clear signal. Currently we have inside this signal, as you can see, we have this limit level, mirror level, from which price bounced many times. Technically there could be false breakout. If that would happen, there's a chance that price would continue uprise. That's all. If there would be accurate false breakout, we can open entry. In other cases, skip. British pound broke all, as you can see, British pound broke all structure. And what currently I can tell you about British pound. Currently it's nothing to do here, because price were in this upward channel, and after break it down, there is nothing what we can do. And a few seconds. Okay, friends, let's continue. Let's go on. And let's go on. British pound is not clear. Better to be out of this. New Zealand would follow Australia. Price approach, create this triangle. Everything depends how price will react on this key level. If there would be accurate approach, there would be accurate sell entry. Friends, Write please, is it clear about what I just told you? Maybe you have some questions. Just tell me. Just tell me. What are the instruments? Japanese yen at this moment. Japanese yen looks horrible. Why? Because after this triangle, as you can see, price didn't drop. And to be honest, what to do at this moment, I don't know. As you can see, price slowly approached back to this key level. I think if there would be break up of this key level, that would be a good place to open buy. What else? About Euro British Pound, the price inside of this range, also nothing to do. And British Pound, Japanese yen, the price inside of this range, the same, friends, nothing to do. Nothing what to do here. Euro Japanese yen, currently if there would be pullback into this area, we can open by entry. Friends, that's all about currency pairs. Marco, I already did Euro USD, you will be able to see it. Friends, please write into a chat what questions do you have currently. Friends, type into a chat what questions do you have, what questions do you need to clarify. No, you cannot buy Bitcoin at this moment because Bitcoin don't show buy signal today. You can buy Bitcoin when price, in two cases. First, when price will show accurate intraday signal. Second, if price will make deep pullback. In that case, you can buy Bitcoin. That's all. Yes, after currency pairs, I'll go to gold, oil, and crypto. One time you said that ATR is a great strategy for trading. Yes, it is the best strategy when you trade FX stock indexes. About crypto, sometimes it doesn't work, but key levels works good and awesome on crypto market. Example of crypto ideas which I sent with my partner. Take a look. Example of crypto ideas which I sent with my partner. As you can see, take a look here. First, as you can see, price bounced from this trend line. Take a look before price rolls up, how we send that idea. Take a look on Ripple, how Ripple rolls up from our idea, from our key level. What you need to understand. EOS, if you would take a look, friends, this is our crypto channel. Take a look and open it and subscribe, because you will get ideas about crypto. Do you use DMI indicator? No, I don't use, and I don't like to use indicators. What do you think the US indices will do near future, Yuri? It's hard to say, because as you can see, indexes and economy to complete difference, because in economy we have nearly 20 million people who lost their job, but in stock market we see rise. That means something going wrong, and I don't understand this game. It looks like someone create a trap, something like this, because still after this, when coronavirus will go through, there will be big unemployment, and because of that big unemployment, income of all companies will decrease. Because of that, their reports would be worse. Because of that, all indexes should drop, but it didn't happen. That's why, what can I tell you? Just man, to be honest, what can I tell you about indexes? If there would be real low, that would be a good time to buy ETF for a long term and create your pension fund. Once more about Australia USD, I already did it, and it was the first currency pair which I showed to all of you. Okay, friends, let's go to gold and oil. Don't forget to subscribe and push like. Let's start from gold. At this moment, gold inside in this range, as you can see, gold inside of this range, as you can see here. To be honest, there is no entry currently, because because it is not wise to open entry here, because your stop loss would be here. If you open buy, you need to set stop loss at least here. If you open sell, you need to set stop loss at least here. That means in all cases your stop loss 400-500 pips, too much. Friends, just wait for something accurate. It is not accurate to trade gold at this moment. That's all, period. About oil, some of you wrote to me about oil. Thank you. Some of you wrote to me about oil. Yes. Okay, go to oil and after that to crypto. UK oil. Friends, at this moment I think oil would be would create a range, because still global supply on oil decreased on 30%, and I think all world banks show that oil demand would came back to before coronavirus level only in next year. That's why I think the huge possibility we will be at this bottom for many days, and only after that it would rise. That's why best would be if price would approach to some key level to trade at borders of this range, if that would happen. That's all. The same here. As you can see, price slowly approach. I think price would slowly on WTA would approach to this key level, and also there would be bounce range. Only after price would break up this range and would start slowly up price. That's all. That's how I think it would be. But a few months in a range, huge possibility that it would happen. Type into a chat, is it clear about oil? Is it clear about oil? Do you also trade with commodity spread trading? Do you also trade? What do you mean with commodity spread trading? Explain, please. I have a strategy which calls key levels, which builds on big players' behavior, how big players accumulate volume. I teach my students how to trade it. I trade it personally. I don't use any indicators. I use only ATR indicators. That's all. That's only one indicator which I have on my screen. Please, crystal clear about oil. Thank you. Thank you. That's the best feedback. That's why I don't need another stuff. I have my strategy, my approach. I want to be the best in my approach on whole planet. That's all. I don't need to be good in all strategies. I need to be the best in one strategy. That's all. Friends, I would like to drink a little bit of tea for your health. Cheers. Like people in Norway and Denmark would say, skål. Okay, we will go to crypto. Reply please about gold and oil. Is it clear? Friends, I see only one reply. It's not enough. Reply, is it clear or not? And after that we can go. Cheers. Thank you. About oil. Yes. Range, and only after that, like I told you. My ban would be in 5 hours, as you can see. In 5 hours I will come back. Clear. Only clear. What is the price of your VIP signals? About my VIP signals, what you can do. Take a look. I would like to share with you below any of my video on YouTube. You can take a look of context of my team and write to them. You need to understand, I cannot do everything in reply, trade, analyze. Friends, you need to understand, I can do all these points because I need time to focus on what is the most important. That's why, once more, I have a team of people who taught well and who know all the questions. Just use this contact and write to them about signals, about education, about all the points, and they will send you all the information. Because about signals, example of our crypto signals I would like to share with you. Our crypto signals statistic for the last month. Few seconds. Crypto signal statistic. Take a look here. We had as you can see, we had 21 trades. This one, it was a break even, and we had 1, 2. It's April. Oh, my apology. We had 20 trades in April, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 70% of all our signals were profitable in April on crypto. That's why, friends, I think it's worth to write to our team and ask about the price and all the points. I do not send only signals by myself. I have a team and we do it together, because it's too much, and I don't want to I don't want to earn all money. I don't want to that you depend only by my thoughts. I found awesome traders with 10 and 6 years of experience, and we do that service together. That's why write to us, and they will send you all the information. Okay, let's go to crypto, and I'll show you thoughts about crypto. Many of you ask me about something like Ripple. Friends, type into a chat what crypto pairs you would like to see. I see Ripple. Yes, let's start from Ripple crypto. Friends, type into a chat what instrument you would like me to analyze, crypto instruments and FX instruments, because I'll analyze only those which I will see. Okay, Ripple. Many of you asked me about Ripple. Okay, let's go. As you can see, Ripple currently in this local uptrend currently. But you need to understand, Ripple will follow Bitcoin, because as you can see, Ripple completely shows what Bitcoin shows. As you can see, you can open chart of Bitcoin on lower time frame, and you can see that it's completely the same. And that's all. Currently, Ripple above this key level, from which price, as you can see, bounced also here, made this really high. Till price above this key level, it is a bullish. Till price above that key level, better to think about buy. I would personally open buy into this area, and set stop loss below this, because if there would be a drop, and there would be powerful, because if there would be drop, I think there could be even drop into this area, because if Bitcoin would drop, it would Ripple will drop faster. ETC USD. Okay, Bitcoin, Ripple, Litecoin. Bitcoin I already did, my friend. At the beginning of this live, I made my thoughts about Bitcoin. Please, after this webinar, open it again and watch what I told about Bitcoin. Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin. At this moment, Litecoin doesn't look pretty well. Why? Because as you can see, many of cryptocurrency pairs after such drop recovered. Bitcoin recovered nearly after this drop. Bitcoin recovered everything, but as you can see, Litecoin didn't recover even, only recovered this dump, this powerful dump. To be honest, I don't see a power inside here. I don't know what's going on with this cryptocurrency pair. Currently on lower time frame, it is bullish, because as you can see, price at this local mirror level. Currently it's bullish with lower time frame, with lower stop loss. If the price will break it down, it would change completely this picture into bearish, because I don't see a strength here. That's all. What's about on EOS? Okay. Yes, Ripple is right now below the key level and is retesting. Yes, completely. Yes. Do you have any indicators that indicator other than key and mirror levels? Only one indicator will show me ATR, how many pips price moved today and in other places. That's all. That's only one stuff which I use on my in my trading. I don't like to use any indicators. Okay, Litecoin did, Bitcoin did, Ripple, yes, ETC. Let's do this beautiful cryptocurrencies. Bitfinex. Okay, 2 seconds, my friends. Once more, ETC. Okay, This instrument a little bit interesting because Ethereum Classic, take a look here. First, price made this real low. Oh my god, such powerful drop. What about daily chart? My friends, currently price in this upward channel, in this upward trend, take a look. Till price above this trend line, you just open buy. Currently, by the way, currently price at this trend line. Currently price at this trend line, you can open buy at this key level with stop loss in below this tail and go above it, because if price would continue uprise, it would hit that area at least. That's why you will have risk reward if you would open proper entry with proper stop loss. You would have risk reward at least 1 to 4. It is important to have good risk reward in all your trading. That's why use it. Okay, ADA USD, ADA USD, ADA USD. As you can see, when I do this analysis, you can learn from me how I do it, because take a look. I always start from daily chart. I think you can see always from daily chart. Why it's important? Because as you can see on daily chart, we see a key points from which price made something important. And that key points help us to choose best entry places with the lowest risk which we can take. As you can see, price made false breakout of that level, and currently price broke down this trend line, and from this point it started this downtrend. To be honest, here there is no sell entry. Why? Because your stop loss must be here, and there is no buy entry because we don't have that buy entry. That's why better to be out. But I would personally would open buy if price would come back into this area. That would be the best place to open buy. And about ADA USD, and I would add it to my watch list, and I will analyze it on everyday basis. Go ahead, friends. Type into a chat what type into a chat what are the instruments you would like me to analyze. Maybe there could be some crypto, some FX instruments, because when I will finish it, we will go to XUSD. I would like to I don't know what's going on with this cryptocurrency pairs, because as you can see, it's dying. It's always every height lower and lower. Hard to trade such stuff. Personally, I don't like to trade such stuff, but as you can see, price broke up this paranormal candle level, and huge possibility it will continue uprise. As you can see, at this moment, price in this range, a local range on local time frame. If there would be accurate some, to be honest, if there would be pullback into this area, it's good to open buy entry. That's all. Currently, this picture bullish up till if price would do something like this, only in that case that would be a sell signal. Till that moment, think about buy. You'll pump on Ripple. Yes. Any idea on Cardano? I think I already did Cardano. ADA USD. As you can see, we have a key level here. As you can see, I just thought about Cardano. Price made a pullback. I would personally would like to open buy if price would come back into this area. That's all. What else? Thank you so much. Thoughts on EOS. Yes, and thoughts on EOS here. EOS Binance. Mm-hmm. 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 My friend, take a look here on EOS. What I told to many of other people, as you can see, we have EOS here. Take a look. After this breakout, price made this range, broke down. Currently, price below this key level, and that's a sell signal. Only if that would be a trap, like such accumulation, break it up, only above it you can open buy entry. Because as you can see, such trap happened before, and only when price broke it up, after that price continue. Example here, trap, triangle, price approach upper, broke up, and after that uprise. The same here. If that would happen, only in that case you can buy it. Don't hurry up. Don't hurry up. BTT USD, okay. BTT USD. BTT USD. Is it all or everywhere such horrible Binance, BTT USD, BitTorrent? Currently, I think you can see that slowly price moves up, that slowly someone buy it. But if we have a question where to open a position, far more question, better question where we can open entry with low and predictable risk. Yes, currently it looks like, as you can see, that price approach, but I would like to see if there would be slowly uprise. Slowly uprise always the most powerful thing. It's like slowly drop down, as you can see here. Slowly drop down and trend can continue forever. At this moment, yes, huge possibility price can do such scenario, but take a look here. Here we had a base, we had a foundation. After such accumulation, price rose up, as you can see, accurate mirror level, and rose up. But what we can do here, we don't have even accurate limit level. That's all. That's why it shows that it would rise up, but it's hard to say where to open entry. This is educational. Thank you, sir. Friends, if you want to get real good education, write to me and ask my team about education, our education course. I will teach you how to analyze crypto, how to analyze other markets, and you will be guru. You will be the best in that area. I will help you with step-by-step plans. That's why right now write to them and ask about education. Got cut into the trap. Yes. My friends, thank you for your time. Thank you that you are here. Thank you that you saw you with me. Right now, push like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, because like I told you, you will get a lot of notification about our future lessons, and it will help you trade better. Also, those of you who want to start changing your trading, right now write to me, to my team, about VIP signals, crypto, Forex or Forex, and about educational. Thank you for your time. If you are buying pair connecting with altcoin, buying for example Ripple, Altcoin or XRP, half now and make profit, what will you do later? Immediately change in currency, or do you do something else? I would personally immediately change into a currency, because to be honest, in all crypto world, I would trade only to Bitcoin or with USD. I don't like to trade with some cross pairs, because I believe that Bitcoin can exist. I believe that USD will exist. About some others, it's hard to pick coin which will survive. That's why, friends, thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.